How to hide album on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device running the One UI 7 version. So if you have any Samsung device running the latest One UI 7 version, you can easily hide the album. To hide it, open the phone gallery on your device. Here you can see the album option at the bottom. Now here you can see the list of different albums you added photo on your device. So if you want to hide your personal photos from the album, you can hide it in the latest Samsung devices. To hide the specific album, tap on a menu at the bottom right corner, tap on a settings. Now scroll down. At the end you can see the about gallery option, tap on it. Now tap on the version 7 times until you can see the gallery lab enabled on your device. So we tap on the gallery lab. Now you can see the gallery labs is enable option. So make sure this option is enabled on your device. Now go back and you can find the new option gallery labs in the gallery settings. So tap on it. Now again scroll down and here you need to find the option album entry lock option. Album entry lock with lock screen card details. So make sure to go on the this option. Tap on OK. Lock select album menu and lock album and unlock. So tap on the OK button. Now go back. Now select the albums. Tap on a view all. Now tap on a three vertical dots. Tap on a hide albums. Now select the album you want to hide. So here we hide the like insert this toggle on this option. Now go back and hide insert album from the list. Here you can't see the insert album. If you want to get back this, again tap on the dots, hide albums and toggle off the option. Now for now toggle off. Now go back and you can find the insert. Here you can see the insert album get back. So quite easy to hide important albums or important photo using the album settings on Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung One UI 7 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.